Hello guys, today we are going to play chicken gun. Look at the new update just come out and watch this. What's this? You see? Wait a minute, wait. You see? Now it's the new update and it's a little cool, but let's go. There's no new maps, but I will show you something very cool. So, watch this. No! Oh, I didn't make this. We have now these things and the new car, like you can build it like this. What the you see, it's only invisible in Huawei. Just kidding, it's not. Just a little joking with you. And we have this, you see, and this. Let's go. This one you can build it. If you're thinking why they're all made of woods, I will show it to you. They are made from woods because they like you can build. Let's go. And yeah, you have something new. Just items. I don't know why the hell did they just put a new update. Items. You have this, and you can change. You can change the how speed is going up. You see it, and you have this. So let's make something. Let's put So we are going to use this. So let's go. Put this. Let's put here. And now we are going to save it. I don't know. Oh yeah, save. I don't know why there are two buttons of saving. And you see, it takes pictures now. Whoa! Why it floats? What the hell? Why it floats? What the hell? For no reason! Why the hell they are just flying? What the hell? Did I just put something? Oh, I forgot something. We just let this propeller, how to, the thing. Oh my gosh. We'll make a new one. So what's this? And yeah, we will have a balloon thing. Let's just delete it. Let's make like a floating chair. I don't know. We are just going to make something cool. And yeah, we are going to save it. Save the building. I don't know. Save it. Save. There we go. It's too slow. Whoa! Oh, come on! Stop! We're going to put on this. And yeah. So, let's go. You see, Oppa. Oh my god, this is so cool. And yeah, we don't forget about to make Let it go. Let it go. Oh my gosh. This is so hard. What the? It's flings circles. We need to catch it. Where did they go just? Oh. Come on. Okay. Koji? Nije. Nije ljudi. Ne vidim ga. Where is it? Evo ga, malo svima je to. Yeah, totally. I don't know. Now people are making like helicopters and vehicles. We're just gonna just random. I don't know. This is the most biggest map on Chicken Gun. Why are people just leaving out from this server? Like I don't understand why. They're leaving because you cannot spawn anything. They just put some random things. Like, what the hell? If this beat same thing. Come on! What the hell? What can we put something? Oh. I just destroyed this thing. Destroyed everything, dude. Like, why the hell are you making the most biggest things? You cannot just anything spawn here. Oh yeah, bye.